Types of errors in JavaScript. So what I want to explain, types of errors in JavaScript. Remember, there are two types of errors are there in JavaScript. First one I can say syntax error. Second I can say what here? Logical error. So might be you don't know the syntax error and you don't know the logical error. Syntax error means errors are mistakes or spelling problems in the code that cause program not to execute at all and stop running halfway through. Halfway through means you know very well. Assume that if I'm writing the script code, document.writeln, here I'm giving statement 1. So here I will not do any mistake now. I will not do any mistake. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. All are okay, then it will execute the code. 1, 2, 3. But tell me in the middle, here I am removing E. Spelling mistake only na. Tell me what will not display? Only 2 will not come or 2, 3 will not come. From there, nothing will come. So this is the problem with what here? Syntax error. I hope people understood what is syntax error. Next, what we have? Logical error. This mistake occurs when the syntax is proper, but the logic or program is incorrect. The application execute without problem in case, however, output findings are inaccurate. Sir, I didn't understand, sir. Logical means I will give you one best example of Java and JavaScript. So what I want to give you Java and JavaScript, see here. If I am using document.writeln, if I am taking 10 by 50, so tell me 10, can we divide with 50? No, we'll get what? 0 in Java. In Java, we will get 0. Save this. Here, output is means code is correct. There is no spelling mistake. But see, the output which we find it inaccurate. It is not correct. Understood my point here now? But it is taking exact decimal. So it will divide that number by taking what point, some number it will take. Understood my point here now? How it's working, got an idea? So this is very, very important, sir. So we need to understand that only. So what I was telling you know, when it comes to logical error means there is no mistake in syntax. But whatever the output is coming, that is wrong. That is known as which error? Logical error. So remember, syntax error, logic error will be there in everywhere. When you are writing a Java code also, you will do syntax errors. Semicolon missing, uppercase to lowercase, lowercase to uppercase. Syntax error. Logical error means I am telling square of a given number, but output is coming cube of a given number. This is known as what? Logical error, na? So please understand. So that syntax are everywhere. So if anyone says, how many errors are there in JavaScript? 2 errors. What are those? Syntax error and logical error. And as I told, these errors are there everywhere. Everywhere you can find.